Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna unbox Fenda's W5 Bluetooth speaker. This is a portable waterproof Bluetooth speaker. First of all, let's look at the box. As you can see, it supports Bluetooth 4.0, TF card, and has a lithium-ion battery. These are the features. It has a passive radiator designed for springy bass, and the power output is 3 watt. So let's open this little thing up. This is the literature. This is the USB cable for charging. This is the speaker itself. It has a rough woolen type of texture. This is the side of the speaker. This is the other side. Ah, shit. On the side of the speaker you can see these buttons. This is the power button, play pause button, volume button, and this button, I don't know what this is for. We'll check that later. On the back side here you can see the micro USB port, the TF card slot, and aux input. So let's switch this baby on. So this is on and in pairing mode. Let's connect it to the device. This is the Fenda W5. Okay, it connected quite easily. I'll make you listen to the audio samples first.
Fusion, the sun releases energy equaling millions of atomic bombs every second. A great deal of this energy is released in the form of photons. These photons dart around the core at light speed, but they collide with matter so often that it takes them thousands of years to finally escape into open space. From there, they only need about 8 minutes to cover the 100 million miles to Earth and arrive here as what we know as sunlight.
3, 4. Oh, sugar. I'm hurting, baby. I'm broken down. I need to love it, I need it now. Sugar, yes please, won't you come and put it down on me? I'm right here, and I need.
You might not have heard exactly what I heard from this speaker because of a technological constraint. The speaker is really loud. It easily fills a large room with its sound. The sound is on a brighter side and a good mids and lows, with vocals being clearer. There's no bass at all at medium volume. Loudest volume, you can feel a little bit of bass, but if you like that boom boom thing, this speaker is not for you. This speaker is waterproof, so you can take it along with you to beaches, and it sounds loud enough, so there won't be any problem. As far as the aesthetics goes, the front has a rough woolen texture, the sides and back being rubberized. The buttons are placed on the top, while for USB and aux connectivity, it's on the left side. This is a box-shaped device. Doesn't look that nice, but whatever. So if you want a waterproof Bluetooth device, at this price point, this is the best buy. But if you want good sound from a Bluetooth speaker, there are a lot of other options in the market. But for this price point, the speaker sounds quite decent, and it's also waterproof. So keep that in mind. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button of the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll try to answer them. So that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys later.